All right, this is the video that's going to split everybody who's going to listen from this point on almost for sure. Earth was created and seeded by what we call extraterrestrials, which is not an appropriate word, but it's the one that you recognize. Galactic and celestial beings would be a much more accurate description. The Earth and civilizations have been started and destroyed many times over. And we were on a path to do that again. The reason that we end up in that place is twofold. One, this is Earth is it's a creation. It's an experiment. And it's a divine experiment. There's nothing wrong with it. It's how things work. But because we were given this is a very special place, in essence, to be. Lots and lots of beings wanted to incarnate here because it's such a unique environment. But what's happened is that we finally evolved to the place, not us, but actually the Earth has evolved to the place. She's a being herself. And she is going to ascend to a new dimension herself. And nothing can stop this anymore. And we were on a path to obliterate ourselves again. This started right after we dropped the bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It was perceived that essentially we're heading in the same directions that we've headed for and killed civilizations off many times before. But that can't be allowed anymore, even though there's non-interference. The problem is us doing that interferes and has shockwaves of that are violent towards other planets and beings in the galaxy, and we can't do that. So a system of rescue has been put into place that we're at the culmination point of, and there's essentially just going to be a split like a cell divides. It's already in progress. It's been in progress. And the cell is the Earth. And the Earth has a holographic new Earth right over this physical Earth that we are in now. And that's what I talk about decision-making and ascension. You're either going to stay or you're going to ascend. And all of that is going to depend on how you are vibrating at the time that process is complete.